Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So my name is Kezzie and this is my corner. That's why it's called Kezzie's Corner. Today's video is going to be a very sit down video. It's going to be a voiceover because I basically filmed a video using the Too Faced Cinnamon Swirl palette and the Too Faced Cinnamon Bun lipstick because I just received this one. This took me so long to get. Maybe I will tell you in the video, but basically tried these on and I used some Too Faced products. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and what I thought of these beautiful products, then keep on watching, and if you like today's video then give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. And for those of you who are new, I hope you join my lovely family. It would mean the world to me. I post makeup videos, sometimes vlogs as well. I have braces videos, so if you want to see those, you're very welcome to do so. I left a playlist with all my braces videos, and yeah, but I welcome any newbies over here to my channel because it truly would mean the world to me. And for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for coming back to watch yet another video of mine. So yeah, let's just get started with today's video. Alright, so let's begin today's voiceover. So I'm going to start by using a Too Faced primer. I kind of went in with my Too Faced products today and really used them. And then I went in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I absolutely love this one. This one is the matte one and it just creates a lovely flawless coverage. The shade might be a bit too yellow on me, but I still make it work though. With the powder, it just sets everything so nicely. And then I use the multi-use sculpting concealer, again from Too Faced, and I absolutely love this concealer. I bought this in a slightly darker shade than I normally would for concealers, but I actually quite like it. And it does blend nicely into my lower, well, eye area, I guess I would suppose. How would you call it? I don't know, but that's what I'm calling it. The lower eyelid area. And I just like how it blends in and it works very nicely. I then take my Too Faced Born This Way powder, I think it's called, and I set under my eyes. And I also then set with the excess powder the rest of my face. I don't like using too much powder. For brows, I have my NYX. First of all, what am I doing? Did I not cut this out? Okay, I did not apparently cut this out. I should have actually cut this piece out. But here I am preparing to do my, that's right, brows. So I use the NYX Tame and Frame, the brow pomade, sorry, not brow gel. And I really like this. I had to use my Inglot sort of water thingy to basically reset it because it got dried up, but it just worked wonderfully. And then I used my Max Factor natural brow gel. Oh, and now we're going into the Cinnamon Swirl palette from Too Faced, and the first shade I'm taking is called Doughboy. Love the names. Love the matte shades actually. Like the first shade really worked out very well, blended ever so nicely, so I had no complaints. I applied this in my crease shade as the first shade. And then I took the shade called Muffin Top, which was a slightly peachy shade, which I think worked wonderfully with Doughboy. I absolutely love the names, as you can see. Absolutely love the names. And then I actually went back into Doughboy to basically heighten a bit the shade. I don't know how you say it. Anyways, for the outer corner, I take two shades. I took See Me Rollin' and Cinnamon Swirl together, and I thought that the combination of these two worked perfectly. And I first applied that and patted that into my outer corner, and then I blended it inwards with the other two shades, which were Doughboy and Muffin Top. And I found that they worked beautifully and created a very like cappuccino kind of look. I don't know, that's what I call it. And then I take my cut crease canvas from Makeup Revolution to create a half cut crease. And I always love applying my cut creases using my Wycon brush. I absolutely love this brush. It really helps with creating a cut crease, especially when I have shaky hands. And then I use the Love the Bun You're Wit shade, which is a very nice, beautiful, shimmery, coppery, well, not copper really, orangey shade. Now, I struggled a bit with this shade. I first applied this with my fingers and then I applied this with the brush, but I found that it worked much better when I actually dampened my brush. That is when I actually got most pigment out of the shade, but I had to work a little bit with that shade. And then I again went into Doughboy to increase that shade again, and then I took I'm Toasted and blended that inwards with the Love the Bun, Your Wit, and the other two outer corner shades, and that was basically the eyeshadow look. And then I also took Gooey Goodness for my inner corner highlight and also my brow bone highlight as well. Absolutely love this, very nice and shimmery. And I again took Doughboy, which was my favorite shade out of all the shades I tried, and I used it for my lower lash line. I then curled my lashes and I used my Too Faced, what was this called? Better Than Sex mascara, that's right. And I love this. It really curls and grips and like volumizes my lashes. For bronzer, I used my Essence bronzer, the luminous one. Absolutely love this one. It creates such a beautiful looking natural bronzer. I don't know what I was doing there, fixing my mirror, I suppose. Over here, the lighting changed, it went more yellowy, as we can see. And then I took my ColourPop blusher. Absolutely love this. It creates such rosy cheeks. The blush is actually called the Love Story Pressed Powder Blush. I then used this Primark Ultra Glow highlighter, and now we're basically going into the lips. Now the lipstick took so long for me to get because I couldn't get it shipped to Malta directly, so I had to use Send On actually to get this lipstick because it wasn't allowing me to buy it off Look Fantastic or Cult Beauty because they wouldn't ship it to Malta. But yeah, it was so worth it because the shade is absolutely stunning. And the scent of it is beautiful, as you can see from my reaction. But yeah, that was the finished look. Absolutely love the products. The eyeshadow palette, I absolutely love the matte shades. I wish the shimmer shades were a bit more pigmented. But yeah, overall was very happy. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!